Hello, good morning everyone. Yesterday we start already probability, and in there is a probability. One formula we discussed. What is probability? Probability formula what is? Probability E is equal to total number of trials and number of trials. How many trials in which event happened. Event is happened. E means event happened. So this is the formula. Okay. Now we will start our next question of 15 point question number 5. What is? Read everyone. An organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine the relationship between their income level and number of vehicles in a family. Yes, we know always number of vehicles in your family, it is always depend on your income. Yes, so a survey was conducted on 2,400 families of the relationship between their income level and the number of vehicles. So it is the given information is given in the tables, because if I make here the table, it is very difficult to note down. So look at everyone, monthly income and vehicle per families. So first is less than 7,000. So those families had salary less than 7,000. So how many families which have number of vehicles per family? How many vehicles? 0 vehicle. How many families? There is a 10 vehicles. So I am writing here this table. The formula I think everyone know. It is monthly income and number of vehicles per family. Vehicles per family and how many vehicles? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 vehicle, 1, 2 and above 2. More than 2. So it means first is less than 7,000. And next is 7,000 to 10,000. 10,000 to 13 and 13,000 to 16,000 and last is more 16,000. Okay. So it is more than 60. So how many families? 10, 0, 1, 2, 1, 160, 305, 535 plus 4, 69. Next is 579. Next is 25, 27, 29, and next is 59 and 82. And next is 88, 25. Next is 1 to 0. So it is the relationship between their income and the number of vehicles. The number of families whose income is between 7,000 to 10,000. So 0 vehicles, how many families? 0. So it means, and 1 vehicle, how many families? 305. And 2 vehicles, how many families? 27. And above more than 2 vehicles, how many families? 2 vehicles. So like this one, these are the total. If you add this one, 10 plus 1, 60 plus 25, 0, and this one you will add total how many families? 2400. This one. So first part, earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owing exactly 2 vehicles. So find the probability earning how much? 10,000 to in this week, in this level, 10,000 to 13,000 and per month and owing exactly 2 vehicles. Exactly mean neither less than 2, not more than 2. So how many number of families which has exactly 2 figures in this one? So it means how many families? 29. So you can write, first you will write one time formula, number of trials in which E happen, and here total number of trials. Understand? So next we will write the probabilities whose 2 vehicles and earning 10,000 to 13,000. And there is first one, that's why. So it means total number of family 2400. And how many families whose vehicle 29? So it is the always write formula, then we will solve it. Understand it? Next, second part. Now, earning more than 16,000. So more than 60,000 or more. Earning 16,000 or more. So it means which one we are taking? More than 60,000 per month and owing exactly 1 vehicle. So right, 1 vehicle earning more than 16,000. How many? 1 vehicle. How many number of families whose income is more than 60,000 and vehicles is only 1? So how many? 1 vehicle. And this one 579 divided by 2400. So like this one, third part also you can solve, fourth part also you can solve. Now is fifth part of this one. Fifth part. So what is? Find the probabilities. Whose probabilities? Owing not more than 1 trial. Owing not more than 1 vehicle. We have to find the probabilities, the number of families owing not more than 1 vehicle. So it means how many number of families not more than 1 vehicle? So right, first we will write total number of families having not more than 1 vehicle. So tell me how many families? All the families which were not more than. What is meaning of not more than? So not more than 1. So it means the number of families whose have the vehicles are not more than 1. Not more than 1. So it means not more than 1 means 10. Yes, first is 0. It means not more than 1 mean. What is meaning? The number of families whose have 1. The number of families whose have 1 or 0 vehicle. 1 or 0 vehicle. Because in the question what is given? Not more than. The vehicles are not more than 1. Because if you will take 2 vehicles, so they are more than 1. But in the question not more than 1. So 2 is more than 1. and above 2, and above 2 is also more than 1. So we have to take the families whose vehicles are not more than 1. So it means number of families whose vehicle have 1 or 1, because not more than 1. Not more than mean. So tell me, if any families have 0 vehicle, so it means 0 is more than 1. 0 is more than 1. No, that means this is include, because owing not more than 1 vehicle. Owing not more than, so it means 0 vehicle is more than 1. No, that means it is include. So 10 plus. Now 160. The vehicles 160 families have only 1 vehicle, and 1 vehicle is not more than 1 vehicle. 1 vehicle is more than 1. Not more than, so it means it is also include 160. Now 25. So 25 families whose vehicle have more than, whose vehicles 2, and 2 vehicle is more than 1. Yes, but here we have to taking not more than 1, but 2 is more than 1, so it is not included. This one also not. Next is 0 plus, same as it is. 305 families have only 1 vehicle, and 1 vehicle is more than 1. No, which means 305. We have to take only this one, not more than vehicle, not more than 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 535 plus 2 plus 469 plus 1 plus 579, and add these all and write here. So what is, so probability is 2400, and note down and add this one. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 10 plus 9 19, 21, 26, 27, 32, 32, 38, 38. 3 is carrying. 3 plus 7 10, 10 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 6 25, plus 5 and 2 is carrying. 3 6 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus. So how many families whose the number of vehicles is more than this one? 2558. Understand it? So this maybe it's some is maybe wrong, so you will check it some and you will write yourself. Okay, and so now you will note down this one. What is meaning of not more? What is meaning of not more than? So it's mean, so not more than mean, what is meaning? Not more than mean maximum, at most or maximum. Maxi, understand or not? All are the same meaning. Not more than. If I say you, if I ask you, sir, if I ask you, tell me how many rupees in your pocket, sir, you don't know how much is the total rupees in your pocket in confirm, but you say, sir, I think not more than 10. I think, sir, I have not more than 10. So it means you are confirmed in your pocket rupees are not more than 10. But it is maybe 1 rupees, maybe 2 rupees, maybe 3 rupees, maybe 4 rupees, maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 8, maybe 9, maybe 10. But 11 is never happen in your pocket, because you say, sir, not more than 10. That means maybe 9, you are not confirmed, you don't know. Understand? So not more than mean at most, not more. A maximum is 10. Okay? Next question. Question number 7. Next is question number 6. Refer to table 14.7. Table chapter number 14. Table 14.7. It is on page number 14 point, table number 14.7, page number 251. Page number 251. Question number 6. Page number 251. To write, find the probability that a student obtain less than 20% in mathematics test. Understand or not? So you will do your teacher one. Table number, yes. So do yourself this question. Page number 251. Do yourself this question. Okay. Question number 6. Now question number 7. To know the opinion of the student about the subject statistics, a survey of the 200 students was conducted. So, how many total students are included in the survey? 200. The data is recorded as the opinion of student was taken. The opinion was taken and number of student. So it is some student like the statistics and some are dislike. 135 and it is 65. So find the probability that a student chosen at random like statistics. So write probability like. First we will write formula. Don't write direct. Okay. So probability of like statistics. Total number of trials how much? Total number 200 and likes how much? 135 divided by this one. It is only, and cut is 2 upon 5. 5 for the 5 to the 10 and 5 7 the. So what is answer? 27 divided by 40 students. The probability of the students like same as it is we can find second part. The probability of the does not like it. So 65 divided by 200. Understand? Same as it is. Now question number 8. I think you can do yourself all the question yourself. Okay. So now question number 8. Refer question number 2. Exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometers? So in question number 8. .3 14.2 exercise. Yes. Question number 2. 14.2 exercise 14.2 and this one table we already made. Understand or not? So we need the tables of this one. So what table is there? This one. So table we make. I am making that table. So distance and frequency. It is the already made in the 14.2. Yes. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 and 30 to and number of how many? So this one 5, 11, 11, 5, 11, 11, 9, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1 and 2. It is given. Okay. And there are the total frequency how much? So total number of engineers, are 40. So we have to find. So first part of this one, less than 7 kilometers from her place of work. So how many so total is how many? So total number of probability we have to find probability whose less than 7 kilometers. So less than 7 kilometers So how will you find? Total is 40. So 7 kilometer we will count in the table. How many numbers which are less than 7? Not 7 is not included. So 1, 5, 3. So which one? 5, 3, and this one, and 2, 7, 7, 3, 5, 3, 2, 6, and 6. So these are the number of the engineer whose distance from their house is what? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 divided by 40. So first part. So less than 7 kilometer. Next is more than or equal to 7 kilometer from their place to work. More than or equal to 7. So you have to count all the numbers and you will write yourself. Next, within the half kilometer from. So write within, third part, within half kilometer from home. So check it within half. How many engineers whose distance of their working place from their living house is half? It is 0. So 0 divided by 40. Understand? So it is 0. Understand or not? So 0 by 40. So same as it is, you can do yourself all the questions. Question number 9, activity. Note the frequency of the 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers going past during a time interval in the front of your school gate. So you will do your activity, this activity do yourself. How many number of 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers are going from in front of your home? Understand? And find the probability that any one vehicle out of the total vehicles you have observed in a 2-wheeler. Same as it is, question number 9, question number 10, you do yourself. Next, 11 bags of the wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contained of the following weights of this one. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5. But it is very easy. Question number 11. Is there is the 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, but they are actually weight 4.97, 5.505, 5.08, 5.03 and 5 kg completely, 06 and 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07 and 5. So these are the 11 bags of the 5 kg and their weight is 5 kg, but actually weight is 4.97 in this one. So now find the probabilities. So we have to find whose probability? Find the probability any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg. So more than 5 kg. So more than 5 kg how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 kg is not more than 5. So it means total are 11. So how many? They are 6 by 11. So it is the answer. First we will write formula, then we will write it. Understand? Same as it is. Question number 12, question number 13 also you do will. So finish this our exercise. Very easy chapter this one. I hope everyone understand it. So if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.